Hey everybody, we're going to hit 8 muscle groups in this one powerful exercise. It's a one-arm clean and press. You're going to hit your glutes, hips, hamstrings, shoulders, chest, back, arms, and obliques. You want to get a dumbbell that you can do an overhead press with one arm. And then we're going to start. Okay, first you want to have your opposite leg forward. You have your dumbbell in your right hand. So you're going to have your left leg forward. And one move, drive your hips forward as you pull with your arm, track your arm to your side, and then extend it up to the ceiling, and then reverse it, bring your arm back and back to the floor, then repeat. Do what I did here. I go through it in my mind first. I practice the movement, I think it through, I figure out how I'm going to bring my arm up, extend it through to the ceiling, bring my elbow back in, and reverse it right back down. So you want a smooth, clean movement. It's explosive and powerful. So warm up before you start, and then go for it. You can do anywhere from 8 to 12 reps per side, and then you're going to want to switch. So then your opposite leg will go forward. You're keeping your neutral spine in your back. You're going to switch to your left hand, and then you're going to drive it right up nice and clean. And you will have a balanced, strong core, legs, back, arms, shoulders, chest, all in one incredible, powerful exercise. Have fun. Be safe. We appreciate your likes. Would love to hear your comments. And don't forget to subscribe.